My name is Kevin Zagorski. My interest in engineering really came from being a kid. I used to wake up early in the morning and I'd watch the space shuttle launch with my dad.
My name is Evgeny Eisenberg. I was born in Russia, and when I came to BU during one of the visits, I liked the atmosphere in Boston a lot.
My name is Shahar Torton. I really thought biomedical engineering was an exciting field, and since BU's program was one of the best in the country, I thought it was a great opportunity.
My research project is called BUSat. The goal of this project is to create a student-run, student-built satellite that we hope to send into orbit in a couple years. The goal of our satellite is to study the interactions between solar radiation and the Earth's ionosphere and the magnetosphere. If there are solar storms that are a great burst of radiation coming out of the sun that can impact the atmosphere, and it can shut down satellites, it can shut down power grids on the planet.
The aim of our projects in the Biomedical Optics Lab aims at developing an automated method for diagnosing colon cancer. The three classes of tissue that we're trying to classify on these images are normal tissue, hyperplastic tissue, which is neither normal, neither cancerous, and cancerous tissue. And we try to teach the computer to make the diagnosis.
The project I'm involved with right now deals with creating a microfluidic device that can be used in developing countries to diagnose tuberculosis using a really small sample of saliva.
I find the BU program to be as good as it gets. The students have the opportunity to really pursue their own interests at the cutting edge of research. They get field experience, they get experience in the laboratories, they get to be independent, and many of them get the opportunity to write up their projects as research papers in top-class journals.
Laboratory experience is probably the most valuable single experience that they get as undergraduates to prepare them for a future career.
I've been getting a lot of experience with writing design documents to government standards, so that sort of experience is something that I think will help me stand apart from other applicants when I'm looking for a job later in life.
So students engaged in undergraduate research experience have a tremendous advantage for getting into graduate schools and or their first jobs, because by far the most valuable letter of recommendation they can get is from a professor in whose lab they've worked.
Having a research position which is paid for is nice, because it makes you feel like you're getting rewarded for what you're doing.
Well, as a college student, you know, money is always something that's in the back of your mind. So getting paid to do research and getting paid to do something you actually enjoy doing is a really nice thing.
Almost all students who go to graduate school have had some sort of research experience. And they would often say that it was the research experience in the laboratories that sort of gave them the opportunity and the ideas of how to conduct research.
The fact that I had the chance to conduct biomedical research involving electrical engineering concepts showed to me that, yes, this is the path that I would like to follow in the future as my professional career.
This experience in lab has really opened my eyes up to all the opportunities I have after graduating. Not only can I apply to grad school and not be afraid of what to expect out of it, but I can go into other fields such as public health and be able to make a big difference there.
The goal here is to give them the opportunity to use their energies, their passion, their talent, and their creativity to create something that can change the lives of hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions of people.
So getting involved in this lab, and in particular in this research project, has taken me from feeling like BU is a big school to feeling like it's a really small community where I feel like I can really make a difference.